Hey guys, I'm Matt Hoots with SawHorse at the International Builder Show, Kitchen and Bath Show, and I've got Justin with Shapes Unlimited. Everything seems to be rectilinear here, so do you have circles, do you have octagons and stuff like that, or? No, we're talking about fences.
Not yet.
Okay, got it. So the potential's there. So what do you have here? I saw this fence that looks like it's not gonna rot. What's gonna make it not rot?
So this is our state-of-the-art system. We have a polyurethane core, aluminum skin, mold resistant, fire rated, Class A fire rating, smoke
Nice.
rating up to A. But the advent with this is that it's durable, rigid, but lightweight, easy to install, right? So there's 3 installation methods. You could surface mount, drop it in a hole, or use an impact post. Once your posts are in, you're just dropping the slats in, on to the next project, Bob's your uncle.
Well, my pet peeve, especially in Atlanta and in the different climate zones, I know you cover the Southeast, even though this is a national and international brand. Every time I see pressure treated go up, you can just almost do a stopwatch. 5 years, you start to see those posts rot out, fall over. So it sounds like everything you have going into the ground it's not wood. It sounds like it's all some sort of metal composite. So what's going into the ground?
So what's going into the ground is fully extruded aluminum. So the posts are extruded, top rail, bottom rail, and then just the slats are going to be your aluminum skin. Right?
So that's even better than steel. So I put steel into the ground. Steel's going to rust over time. We had to prime it and stuff like that. Aluminum, no oxidation. It's going to last a lot longer.
Far more durable, yes, absolutely.
Got it. So where can people find out more about this product?
They can go to Primalux, or they can go to shapesunlimited.net.
And from a distance, just to be honest, coming back, I thought you guys were selling the frame and had like a composite wood inside it. This looks like real wood. So you guys did a really good job with the printing and the overlay on this.
Yep, different variations of color, wood tones, but yeah, all aluminum.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thanks, Justin. Hey, if you got value out of this, we've got full coverage from this year's show. Check out our tours of the new American home, the new American model, and all of our interviews from the show floor. For your convenience, all the playlists are right here. Don't forget to subscribe since we've got more coming.